Your rights online. Being online can be great. It gives us space to learn and connect with friends and families. But we know the online world can be filled with things like bullying, nasty comments and toxic feeds. In the past, it may have felt like there were no rules to deal with this stuff online. This has now changed. There are new rules that help protect your rights online and help give you more control over what you see. Coimisiún Meán makes sure that online platforms follow these rules. What are some of my rights online? Your right to be protected from harm. You have the right to be protected from harm online. Harmful content online might include violence, abuse, or harassment. Platforms must restrict harmful and illegal content in their terms and conditions. Each platform must also give you more control over the content shown to you to protect you from being continually fed content that you might find upsetting. Your right to report. If you see content online that you find distressing, you have the right to report it. Reporting options should be easy to find and easy to use. Your right to express yourself. While we all need to think about what we share online, if a platform takes down content you have posted or uploaded, you have the right to understand why and to appeal this decision. If you think your rights haven't been respected, always report to the platform first. If you need help with this, or for more information about what Coimisiún Meán does, check out www.cnam.ie.